Is your Canon camera's touch shutter not working or not responding properly? This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to capture quick shots. This issue is often caused by incorrect settings, disabled touch controls, or even a dirty screen. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the touch shutter issue. Let's get it fixed right now. Before doing anything else, wipe the screen gently with a microfiber or a thin cloth. Avoid using wet fingers or gloves. If the screen is dirty, or your fingers are too cold or oily, then dry your fingers. After that, try these solutions. Solution 1. Disable face detection mode. First, turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the AF method option. Select it. Then press the set button. Here you will get 4 options: AF tracking, FlexiZone single, FlexiZone multi, and quick mode. Now select one of the FlexiZone single. After selecting it, press the set button to confirm. Solution 2. Reset camera settings. Now press on the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button, then select OK. And then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while, and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.